Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Faydelia.com, an online store that claims to be your next destination for hoodies, jackets, and accessories. At first glance, the site looks professional enough to fool a casual scroller, but the internet is already buzzing with the same old question. Is this place actually legit? We've done the digging so you don't have to, and let's just say the results are about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. The first red flag popped up the moment we checked their domain registration. This website was created in August 2025, which means they're either time travelers or, more likely, a brand new setup with zero track record. Most shoppers prefer stores that have existed longer than a carton of milk, so a site this fresh is already testing our patience. Apparently, building a reputation is too much work when you can just pop up overnight and hope for the best. Things got even more creative when we looked at their product images. Instead of original photos, it seems they've opted for the copy and paste method, pulling pictures straight from across the web. It's a bold strategy to sell clothes using photos you don't actually own, but it doesn't exactly scream high-quality brand. If they can't even be bothered to take a photo of a hoodie, you have to wonder if the hoodie even exists in their reality. Next, we went hunting for a social media presence, and we found absolutely nothing. No Instagram, no Facebook, and zero updates anywhere. In a world where even my cat has a social media following, an online fashion store with zero digital footprint is beyond suspicious. It's almost like they're trying to remain as invisible as possible, which is usually a great sign if you're a secret agent, but a terrible one if you're trying to sell jackets. We also decided to test their live chat support, which turned out to be a total ghost town. Instead of a helpful human, we were greeted by an automated thank you message that led absolutely nowhere. It's the digital equivalent of talking to a brick wall, except the wall is probably more likely to give you a refund. With no real customer support and zero reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, you're basically throwing your money into a void and hoping for a miracle. So is Faydelia.com legit? With a brand new domain, stolen images, no social media, and support that's essentially a polite no comment, the red flags are practically flying themselves. It's much safer to keep your wallet closed and avoid this site entirely. Thanks for watching till the end, and make sure to subscribe so you don't get caught out by the next too good to be true store.